April 26, 2024. SPY, like I said on Thursday. Look at daily chart on SPY. I said on Thursday, 20-day moving average and 50-day, these are major resistance. And down there for support, major support should be 5 and 10-day moving average. And also we have this bottom trend line here, the blue line here, support. So I also said it already gapped up because of the futures gapped up in the evening on Thursday evening. So the SPY should gap up. So SPY has a gap up in the morning. It's quite huge. It's a huge gap. How many points? So we have about let's see, 3.5 here. Yeah, about 3 points, almost 3 point gap. That's quite large. So will Monday have it fill? We will see. But anyway, look at the smaller time frame. So most of the time, both were in control. But I was wrong one thing. I said on Thursday, since on Wednesday there was a bear trap, I thought on Friday we would get bull trap on top, but it didn't happen. It just both were in control. There was no bull trap, just sideways most of the time. So both were in control. Those who went long should make great profit. But for the short, for those who short, it's tough. It's a tough trade. You only make a very small profit. You still be able to pick up points, but not a lot. Probably 1 point, half point here, 1 point there. So I would say both win. But anyway, for next week, as my favorite strategy, right? 1 minute, 2 minute time frame. 2 minute time frame, 50 didn't cross 200 on Friday, but 1 minute already happened. 50 crossed 200, so happened already. So I would say Monday, most likely 50 will cross below 200. How far will it go down? That's the questions now. Will it go fill this gap? Don't know. Let's take out this one. This is the gap. It's a 3 points gap right here. So will it fill here? So we will see on Monday. Let's see how far it will go down when 50 cross 200 on 2 minute time frame. So watch it. When 4 doesn't fall, it might turn around. Since look at it. This April we have 2 remaining days for us. Okay, we have 2 remaining days before roll it to the month of May. So now April, we got 2 more days before May. So that means what? As I said before, usually up bar and down bar are pretty well balanced. Usually up bar have more advantage and more us. Going up have a little bit more up bar than down bar. So this month it's not, I don't think it's a market crash. It's just correction. So it shouldn't, down bar shouldn't outnumber up bar. But anyhow, right now, so far, down bar is more than up bar, only by 2. So we got 2 remaining days. So watch out. The 2 remaining days could be up bar. Could be, could keep on going for 2 more days. So totally well balanced, 50%. And also look at the pattern here. Look at the 30-minute SPY 30-minute here. Look at it. It's trading along this upward channel. So for Friday, hit top the channel, it couldn't hold, and it just pulled back a little bit. So we will see on Monday, see how deep it will come down. So watch it. So but anyway, let's look at resistance and support. Again, resistance should be 50-day moving average. We've got lots of resistance up there. 50 moving average, 20-day, and this top of the trend line, this is a big resistance. So 511 should be a major resistance. Okay, and for the bottom, so we have the bottom trend line for support. We have 5-day, 10-day support. These are support. So look for support and resistance. Always buy low, sell high. When the market hit major support, I think it's time to think about the long entry. Again, when the market hit major resistance, it's also time to think about short entry. Take your positions. You look at MACD or RSI, those other whatever indicators out there, I would say a little bit slow. It's hard to catch the top and bottom. So watch out for the major support and major resistance. For SPY 30-minute, it's obvious trading the channel here. So let's see how far it will bounce. Another possible scenario is it might break above this channel, create another channel, or create another triangle pattern. And I love my favorite strategy, either moving average or channel. I always look for a channel, look for a trend line, look for support, look for resistance. That's what I look for in the charts. Okay. Let's look at the futures. Or let's look at the SPY 5-minute time frame. It's trading above 200 moving average. That means it's slightly bullish. It was trading below 200 moving average on Thursday, and then there was a bear trap right here. So it went all the way up. Now there's a gap up. There's a gap up here. It's quite large, only 3 points. So it didn't fill the gap on Friday. So it's above 200 moving average. So it should be slightly bullish. Okay, however, you look at 2-minute and 1-minute chart. These are my favorite strategy, right? So for 2-minute, 50 didn't cross below 200 on Friday. Most likely it will happen. Look at the pattern now. Looks like 50 is going to cross below 200 moving average. Just give it for 1 hour or 2 hours more. We'll finish this pullback on Monday. So watch out. It's just slightly bullish. Don't be so bearish. It's not absolutely bearish now. Okay, let's look at the futures. For the futures, if you look at 240-minute, now if Friday is a top, that means this is a triangle. It's a rising wedge triangle pattern. So look for breakout, either Monday or Tuesday. We're gonna have a breakout, either up, goes back to this channel, or goes back down. But below we got support, right? Below we have, if you look at the daily chart, we have support 5-day moving average and 10-day. It's quite bullish, strong. I would say Monday or Tuesday, this support 5 and 10-day should be big support for for E-mini, same as for the SPY. There's a big support right here. So up there, major resistance should be 20-day moving average, another 50. This is a major resistance right here. You have to break above these two major resistance, then I will look at the next level. I don't want to confuse everybody. I don't want to draw too many lines, too many support and resistance lines in the charts. So this should be good enough. Make it simple. I always make my trading simple. I hate complicated trading. So when I have this support resistance, I know what to trade. Buy low, sell high, always, right? Okay, but again, if you look at the E-mini, the futures, ES, for 15-minute and 60-minute, both totally above 200 moving average. That means it's bullish. I would say slightly bullish. It has still have more room to go. That's my analysis on the SPY. We have 2 remaining days for trading. So far, up bar and down bar is quite balanced, getting close. 9 versus 11. So let's see, we will get 2 more up bar to make it perfect balance. If not, 1 red, 1 bar, one red, 1 green is still good. We will see on Monday. But I'm just kind of a little bit biased to the upside. I am biased to the upside a little bit. So watch out on Monday. Wait for the SPY, the 2-minute finish the moving average crossing on Monday. Let's see the new direction. It might move back up, have a trading along. Look at daily chart SPY. Maybe trading along this trend line here, the top of the channel. Okay, let's see, either trading along here or pull back, fill the gap here. That's a gap below. I think that's the only thing we pay attention to. The rest should be simple. Okay, good luck on your trading on Monday. Thank you for watching this video. Goodbye.